Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come back and show you some cards that I made today using all frame dies from Andy's shop. So I used this one here, which is the little wavy. They're all stitched. And you're going to see they're super cute. Then I used this one here. I do use the big one with the hearts. And then I use this one that's also stitched and wavy, but only wavy on the top and the bottom. And I also use this bow, which is the butterfly bow, but in this one I did not use the butterfly itself. So these are all cards using the flat stitch dies. And I use my polka doodles. So this is my first card. And I think it came out super cute. So you see where... You see like the stitching? The stitching is so cute. Like I love it. And this, I use this, the Hobby Lobby trim around it. And this is totally Amy's idea. And she is Fairy Kisses to You. I'm going to also put her link in the description bar. Past her, she's a new YouTuber and she does a lot of cute projects. So please pass by, tell her I sent you. So this is it. And then in the inside, I just added friend, and that's for my stash. I'll put that link in the description bar also. And I think they came out so cute. And then I did this one. And this one is the new Polka Doodles digital collection. I think it's called like Fairy Winnies. And my daughter drew that. Well, she didn't draw. She colored it. Look how cute. You see her cheeks? They have like a little highlight. It's so cute. I love it. And then this one, I added like a little crown. The same thing. The ribbon all around it. The same stitch dies, which I love. This one says sparkle. So cute. I love it. And then I made this one using Helga. And these, I made these flower out of the ribbon also. I have a video tutorial on how to make these flowers, so I'll put that in the description bar. And I think it came out so cute. And this is where I use the heart stitch die. Look. So cute. I love it. Did I put anything in inside? Oh yeah, I wrote hugs. And yeah, just a quick little project share of my 3 cards using all flat dies. And that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, just because the dies are flat, you can still make it 3D-ish by adding all your embellishments. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know which one was your favorite. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.